Pause up and good morning, and thank you for your attention. I'm Sanvi Kurduk from Ms. Fazika's class.
And I'm Bianca, also from Ms. Fazika's class.
Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It's Reach as High as You Can Day. Stretch yourself out today.
Sunday was National Scrabble Day, and we're having a contest. Come up with your best Scrabble word and post it to the AGE School Cluster page. You can spell it out with Scrabble tiles, write it on paper, or use your body to form the word. Anything you can think of.
The teachers will vote on the best picture, and the winner will earn a special prize from Miss Smith and Miss Owens. So get your pictures uploaded to the school cluster ASAP. Last day to submit your Scrabble photo is today by midnight. Winners will be announced Thursday morning.
Today's birthdays are Santiago Contreras, Gavin Silver, and Yang Yang Shen. Happy birthday!
Since it's quite snowy outside today, Jacob Rainey has a fun art activity you can try inside.
So today we're going to make laminated colorings, basically. So you're going to need a couple of things for this. You're going to need a roll of packing tape. You're going to need some scissors, packing tape, some colored and a coloring page. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your picture and you're going to color it. Whatever you want, it can be anything. And you can do any design that you want. So, colored mine, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay these down, and then we're going to get our masking tape. You're going to take your masking tape, and you're going to put it right over your coloring. So I'm going to cut off the tape, and then I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to put it on the other side. Now, for this, you can use any kind of tape, but packing tape works the best because it's clear and it's more see-through than like normal Scotch tape. So up here I missed a little bit, so I'm just going to take a smaller piece. I'm going to take this, then I'm just going to fold it over the top. So now that your coloring is covered in packing tape, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut it out. So now that you've cut off the tape just how you want it, then now you have this laminated coloring, and I have already done some, and they can be any size you want already, but I recommend the smaller the better, because there is a way to turn these into pins and or stickers. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah.
Thanks for that fun idea. Send us pictures of your art.
For a great game you can play inside, check out yesterday's announcements from Cadence and Torin Flecker on how you can go bowling in your own house. Play hard, play fair, play safe.
Hi everybody, my name is Cadence Flecker. I'm going to teach you how to bowl, and this is my brother Torin.
Download the Cluster app and share pictures of you and your family to the AGE Cluster. The link is in the description below.
Don't forget that you can pick up a free breakfast and lunch each day from Acres Green. Here's Miss Gina with today's menu.
Today's menu is frittata and donut holes or chocolate granola for breakfast, and your choice of mac and cheese, Uncrustable, or a bistro box for lunch. Both meals come with veggies, fruit, and milk. You can pick up both meals at the same time at Acres Green between 11:30 and 12:30 today.
Here's a special message from Miss Smith.
Hello, Panthers. This is Miss Smith, your principal. Yesterday, Paige let us know that we're going to focus on sharpen the saw this week. That's a really great habit to focus on. We also call habit 7 balance is best. There are 4 domains to sharpen the saw. It's body, mind, heart, and soul. Those are like 4 legs on a chair, and we have to focus on all 4 of them so that we are balanced in our lives. I'm going to talk today about heart and soul, 2 legs of the chair. Heart is maintaining relationships with our family, friends, teachers, those people who are important in our lives. Pets, they count too, so do stuffies. So it's a way to love and thank and appreciate all the people in our lives. That's the way to sharpen the saw when it comes to our heart. Sharpening the saw with soul or spirit, it's about reconnecting with the purpose, your purpose in life. We do that in many different ways. Sometimes that's prayer, meditation, mindfulness activities, being out in nature, seeing a beautiful sunset, or inspiring music or art. Those are all ways to sharpen the saw when it comes to our soul. I hope you take time this week to sharpen the saw in both of those areas, heart and soul. Mrs. McKee has a great lesson on generosity, and that would speak to both of those areas. And from my heart and soul, know how much I care about you and how much I miss you. Have a great week.
Thanks for the great reminder, Miss Smith. Remember to sharpen your heart and soul today.
Please join us and sing the school mission statement. At Acres Green, we are creating leaders one child at a time.
We will all conclude by saying the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you and have a great day.